How does this website work? You can use the local Surveyors Direct website to find and make direct contact with experts who can help you with security alarms and fire alarms. Using this website is free. It's very quick, you are not committing yourself to anything, and you're not being added to a mailing list. To get contact details from experts who cover your area, you just fill in the form and all their phone numbers, emails and location details will immediately appear on your screen. The form has 2 steps. Step 1, you enter the property details and location. Step 2, enter your name and contact details. Within a second, you will have on your screen a list of experts who can help you. You can then click for more information about each expert and you will be given their full contact details and links to their websites. At the same time, your details are emailed to each of the experts listed. You can call them and they can call you. This allows you to quickly make direct contact and discuss your requirement in more detail and then obtain quotations. If you are busy and you do not want anyone to phone you, just enter 0000 into the telephone field instead of putting in your number. This system is direct. You will get a wide range of choices. Some will be large companies, some will be small companies. Prices will vary accordingly. Each supplier will provide an overview of their qualifications and experience. You can then choose one of the suppliers and you can place an order directly with them. Except for the suppliers on the list, your details will not be passed on to anyone else. You will not be added to a mailing list. We will ask you for feedback afterwards, but after that we will not use your details again. Please note that our suppliers pay advertising fees to be listed on our website. They do not pay commission on any orders that you place with them. So let's get started. Fill in the form and let's see who we have listed in your area.